maternal mortality, which peaked unfortunately during COVID, the 2021, of about 200 per 100,000 births, which is high and concerning, come down to today, last year, to 130 or thereabouts per 100,000 births. We really need to get that down to about 70 or 80 based on the World Health Organization standards. So we have work to do, but we're moving in the right direction. But when you look at some of the risks that contribute to high-risk pregnancy, we have to be concerned that we have to educate, inform, and encourage our families, mothers, their partners, to seek help early, at least to ensure that they are experiencing a normal and healthy pregnancy. Because when I look at the data as the major causes of high-risk pregnancy, hypertension, obesity, cardiac disease, sickle cell, sepsis, thrombolism, these are issues that are related to lifestyle. And we're not blaming anybody for anything. Let me be very clear for the record. What I'm saying is primary health care is about community. And all of us within the community have a responsibility to give support to families and emerging or evolving families as it relates to pregnancy and the management of pregnancy. Because premature birth can be the cause of several things. Oftentimes can be treated once there is early detection and a knowledge as to how to clinically manage the particular circumstance. So I think there's a lesson to be learned from all circumstances, even while we give all the support to those mothers, to their families, and to ensure that we continue to try hard and to try harder to make the system more responsive. Part of building out what we're building out here today and in Brownstown is to make a more efficient and a more relevant primary healthcare institution to provide support to communities.